Hello everyone, so we still got these two joined together, the Elgin and the Fraim, and the Elgin is a wafer lock, so I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tensioning on him, and the ball rake, Southward Max ball rake that I got from Lock Noob in his drawing. I put it in there and wiggle my balls around. Well, it's only got one ball, so wiggle my ball around. Let's see if I can get this lock to open and separate this unholy matrimony that's been going on for, oh, there we go, got it. Right. You're now divorced. You two now separated for who knows how long. Look at that shackle. It's been closed for a bit. And this other guy may be too badly beaten up. So I think this side should be sticking up more. It looks like somebody hit it pretty hard with a hammer. And that's right where the actuator is. There's a metal rod or something down there. I don't think that's part of the warding. And I don't know if that's the actuator. Anyway, I'll mess with that guy a little bit later on. That's two of them out of the... Is that master lock warded. And this Elgin. Opened up. Right. So, let me go look at the rest of my goodies, but there you go. Bottom of keyway tensioning and a ball rake. You don't get to see those used very often, do you?